Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on a link for our Skoda Karoq 1.5 petrol SEL manual KP18JWU. This vehicle is in Black Magic Pearl Effect. Now this vehicle has keyless entry, literally folding door mirrors, and also to lock. Now just inside the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, the actual rear seats are very flex seats, so you can actually remove the rear seats off this vehicle. Got a temporary space saver spare wheel with a toolkit. Also just in the back, got the part leather, part suede interior. You also have the rear trays for the rear seat passengers. Like I see, this vehicle has done 21,328 miles. As stated previously, it is a manual. The vehicle has heated front seats, dual climate control zones, as well as front and rear parking sensors. This vehicle is also equipped with satellite navigation and is also compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if you'd like any more information or you'd like a full spec of the vehicle, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.